say we love you, River and Skylar. I love you. And Sprocket in Indiana.
And who do you miss?
Callie.
Yeah? And Sprocket?
Kiss my balloon.
Say Sprocket. Yeah? Do you want to see River and Skylar?
Again? No.
Oh, God.
I want to see Ona.
You do?
Yeah.
Do you want to see him, Caden?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll leave Simon at home then. Simon want to stay home?
No.
Do you want to see Ona?
No. Mr. Wayne. My balloon.
Because of your balloon? Because you don't want them to take your balloon?
No.
Do you want to see River and Skylar?
No. Balloon. This okay. My balloon.
Do you want to see the doggies?
Yeah.
So you want to see the doggies instead of the people? What about Sprocket and Indy?
I want to see Sprocket and Indy and Ona and River and Skylar.
Oh, what about you, KK? Who do you want to see?
River.
Oh, you want to see River? Oh, you remembered his name. What about Skylar? Do you want to see her? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you soon.
And see you soon. We love you.
Oh, mwah.
Mwah.
Hugs and kisses.
Mwah.